What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to be slamming my E46. This thing, as you can tell, even though it is on jack stands, this thing is a monster truck, bro. But thank you to Maxpeedingrods. They sent me some coilovers, and we are going to be fixing that, and we are not going to be riding like a monster truck anymore. Let's get this shit out of here. Dude, these things look so good. These are one of the top models that they made. I know a lot of people said that this is usually too short, so we'll see. Bro, this thing feels solid, man. Let's get these bad boys out too. God, look at that beautiful blue. See you. All right, so we have everything here. I think I might do the back ones first because I think they might be a little bit easier. Let's get these babies measured up and then we'll throw them on, and then hopefully it goes from that type of wheel gap to that type of wheel gap. Jesus. All right. My girlfriend got me this. She's right there. This thing, I never knew I needed it until I have it. So, we have the wheel off. We gotta get this out. We gotta unbolt that from the inside. I think we just do that bolt right there, and then this will just drop. And then we pull out the stock spring, and then it should be out, and then we go inside, bolt this out, and then we're done. Got that baby jacked up. Now we're just gonna go underneath, get this bolt, and it should drop down. Wow, this is gonna be such a pain to get out, bruh. Wow, that came out a lot easier than I thought. Dude, people make it seem like it's extremely difficult. That wasn't even difficult at all, bruh. Everyone that I see do this just puts that there and then puts the spring right in, and then that's it. Dude, like, honestly, who even wants these crappy coils? Why don't they do this from factory? Whack, man, whack. I don't think a lot of people put the hats on both sides, but I kind of want to put it on both sides just because I'm not trying to have metal on metal and then have it screeching all the time. Like, nah. Let's get that sound deadening out. Who needs that? It's about to come off. Let's see. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, obviously, like everyone else, you put this in there like that. These two are obviously very far apart from each other, so let's make it to where they reach each other, which is a very long way away. All right, so for a reference of how much I'm gonna be threading it on, I'm just gonna be doing like the width of this and just thread it back on, and then we'll bolt it up on the top. We have it bolted up, but like everyone else, it's still too short right there. So we're just gonna have to jack it up to right there, and then should be good. Now we have this side in. She's looking good, not too bad. The blue, mint. Everything went in properly, that bolt went in good. Now, let's attack the front. All right, so what I am doing now is I'm gonna take out these little Allen bolts so I can adjust the camber so I'm not driving like a freaking dinky. Jesus. To be honest, I think I'm really only using like the same like 5 bolts, which is pretty convenient. I can't tell you guys how easy this car is to work on, because on my Genesis, I mean, it wasn't like extremely hard to work on, but it was definitely a lot more complicated than this. Pretty sure this just comes down. Yeah. Jesus. All right, so I should just be able to just get in here during this. That'll hold itself, and then I'll loosen this, and then I'll be able to get the whole strut out. Now that the bottom is taken care of, let's take care of the top and then throw these bad boys in. Oh, and there it goes. All right, let's get that end link out of here. Put that right there. Now time to put this beaut in here. There's my doggy. Hi, Sophie. All right, let's finish this in. Dude, it's been so long since I've driven a car that's lowered, so. Dude, I think these coils are gonna be like a lot better than people say, but I will update you guys how they've been for me in the comments. Alrighty, so we have both front tires on. The front is completely finished. There you go, and then you can see right there, got that camber maxed out, boy, both sides. So this is what the final product looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect in the back, but the front with 19s, that side's kind of not too bad, but this side is kind of too low. I think that if I'm actually drifting and this side digs in, it might be a little bit too low, but I'm gonna adjust it in the next video. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.